ST2520 is made of stainless steel and SPCC. Door material is aluminum alloy for both space. Apply to 2.5-inch HDD with key lock structure for both space. Insert SATA power line, data line, and single line. Open the door and put the HDD in. Lock the door. The installation location is floppy bay. Support SATA 36 Gbps transfer rate. Support hard swap.
2.5-inch dual disk hard disk extraction. Box 10 to 3.2.5-inch dual disk hard disk extraction. Box 10 to 3.5-inch floppy drive made of metal frame. Durable to SATA 15P. Power ports 2. SATA 7P signal ports stainless. Steel tray tool free 3-second installation fast and simple safety lock design to protect the safety of hard disk data automatic.